There you go, GTO fans. There's only one great one.
You better believe it.
And this particular car is very well preserved and restored.
Yes, it is.
This is obviously an AACA car. Look at the attention to detail. 400 4-barrel ram air. Beautiful. Yes, you can see it underneath. And there you have it. Back here in the 67, 68 time frame, they were doing a lot of soft yellows on cars. I know Chrysler used it a lot. This is a 68. Beautiful stock steering wheel. Auto Magic. Boy, look at that nice dash. You know, when these body styles came out, GM styling was really right on it. Just beautiful cars. Got the stock treatment in the trunk. Wheels and tires. The PMD wheels look fantastic.
I'm sorry. What do you try for?
Yes.
Yeah, I have a white. Hold on.
Just a beautiful car overall. Very nice. Very well done. Presents well. And there's one for you GTO fans. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you.